Hi, I'm Bill Howard. I had my rail deck installed a little over a year ago. I've had several wood decks in the past, and there are many issues that come up with wood, everything from moisture to bugs to staining repeatedly to high maintenance. But when I started to look into either repairing or replacing the deck, I did a lot of research online, and then I started seeing repeated positive reviews for Royal Deck. So I looked into a little further. I talked to a couple of people that were nearby that had it done by Royal Deck, and they spoke very highly not only of the office staff but also of the installers. The team that I work with at Royal Deck was outstanding. They spent an hour and a half with me going over samples, showing me different grades and qualities and colors. After that, they came out with the three options that I had chosen, and they gave me large pieces and said, hey, why don't you put them out here on the deck for a couple days, get used to them, see what they're like in the daytime, the nighttime, the dusk, cloud cover, etc. Royal Deck materials are artificial, they're permanent, they last for years and years with zero maintenance. I felt more comfortable and safer out here rather than having to worry about splinters and nails and everything else. Now it is very well appointed, it's elegant, it's classy. Alex and I think Stefan was the main installer. I've recommended them to several people. Two of my neighbors down the street have actually used them for their installation, and they've thanked me for the introduction because it worked out very well for them. One of the things that I really love, obviously, just looking out at the lake and enjoying the scenery, but it makes working on the computer or on a conference call. So I talked about how much I enjoy the deck, but I didn't talk about how much she enjoys the deck. It really gives you a lot of peace of mind that she can walk around, no splinters, no nail pops, and she's out here more than I am, laying in the sun and just enjoying it. I'm really happy that she's happy that I did the deck too.